Mason, and I'm here to talk to you about this little guy, the new Ripple by Wellon. So this little vape is special because it features a new skin sensing technology. See this little metal piece right here? It barely has to touch your lips and it activates. Sometimes you want to warm up your oil a little bit before taking a hit, and that's where this comes in handy. You can actually even just use your fingertips to warm it up, which is great. The other great thing about it is it has a magnetic mouthpiece, which allows you to easily change out the liquid even if you're on the go. So here's your charging port right here, and it only takes an hour for it to fully charge. So now that we know a few things about the Ripple by Wellon, let's go ahead and fill this guy up. So you just want to pop off the top like this, and then you're gonna pop off the top of that. It's magnetic, another great feature. And then you want to unscrew the top, and now it's time to add your liquid. We're just gonna add the top back on, and it screws on. Pretty simple. And then we're going to add the magnetic mouthpiece, and it pops in, and it's good to go. Okay guys, so there you have it. If you're looking for a great vape at a very sexy price, be sure to check out the Ripple by Wellon at puffpuffpassit.com, and also be sure to let us know what you think in the comments and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.